Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, I got to thinking and ciphering in my big brain, and I thought I wanted something taco-like, but I couldn't be bothered with the tacos. So I thought, what about a one-pan ground beef taco skillet? Simple, easy, do it in 20-25 minutes and it won't break the budget. Came out absolutely incredible, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, we're just going to get started here by throwing some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then we're going in with a pound or lb of medium ground beef. And we'll just kind of sing a song and break this up here. Now I'm using medium simply because it was on sale, but I mean you could use lean, extra lean, whatever you like. It doesn't have to be, I guess you could use pork, but you know, I kind of like the beef. Now we're just going to kind of stir and fry this, guys, for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, something like that, until it is cooked through. Okay, guys, we are pretty much fried up and browned and drained here. Instead of shove everything to one side and go in with half a chopped onion. I'm using red onion here, but you can use whatever you like. 3 cloves of chopped garlic. You know me, I've got to have my garlic. And we'll just stir and fry this around for a couple of minutes. Just until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. You know, that's the smell, you know, something's happening and that I love so much. Now I'm going to go in with a red bell pepper, or actually half a red bell peppers that I've chopped up. Just stir and saute this for a little bit, just until it begins to tenderize. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. Oh, this is smelling absolutely incredible. Then I'm going to season things up with a bit of salt, maybe half a teaspoon, depending on how salty you want it. Some ground black pepper. You know me, I just love pepper, so I'm going to go a little heavy, maybe a teaspoon and a half, something like that. Then about a teaspoon of cumin, good old cumin. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now you can just use the regular, but I really like the smoked, so if you have it, just go ahead and add it. Maybe a little bit more. About a tablespoon of chili powder. You gotta have the chili powder. And for some heat, some hot pepper flakes. Now, you could add cayenne too, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use hot pepper flakes here. You can even use real peppers. And we'll give everything a stir around here. Just get those spices activated. Does this smell good? Now, guys, of course, you know, you can add whatever seasoning you like. You can add extra. And you might say, well, there's no taco involved. How the heck is this taco? Well, it's this Tex-Mex flavor of the seasoning that really, you know, makes it taco. But this is going to be super good. And I wish I had smell vision because this smells, like I said, incredible. Now we are going to throw in a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, undrained. Another 15-ounce can of black beans. Now you want to strain, drain, and rinse these black beans because they're as slimy and as slippery as SpongeBob. And follow everything up with a cup of good old beef broth. I would just kind of stir everything around kind of gently because we don't want to crush up those black beans. And as some people would say, we're just going to bring this to a boil. Okay guys, we let this simmer away for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to go in with 3 cups of wide egg noodles. And of course, if you don't have wide egg noodles or egg noodles at all, you know, you can use any kind of pasta you like, but I just like the egg noodles. My preference. Give everything the old mixaroonie here. Yum, yum, yum. That's about all I can say. Then we shall just cover this up and let it simmer away for about 10 or 12 minutes until those noodles are cooked through. Well, here's the thing, guys. Well, this is simmering away. It's a beautiful day out. It's about 70 degrees and sunny, so I think I'm going to go do some fishing. So if you'd like to see some fishing videos in the new boat, maybe I'll throw them on Dave's network. You can head on over there and check them out. Great day for fishing and frying, so that's what I'll be doing after this. After about 10 or 12 minutes, we are pretty much done, guys, and just look at this. Doesn't that look incredible? And I bet you can't guess what the next step is. The next step is, of course, we're going to plate this up, and this is just about perfect, and it smells so good. Now, of course, while we're piping hot here, guys, I am going to go over the top of some Tex-Mex, and that's going to melt right down in there. You could have done it in a pan too, but I just like it over the top like this. And then we'll garnish things up with some parsley. You can use cilantro too, but this is fresh from the garden. And there you have it, guys. Our budget-wise, incredibly delicious, simple and easy, one-pan ground beef taco skillet. You are gonna love this. All right, let's dig in here. Grab some of this up, and you want some cheese, of course. Of course, some of that mixture, that ground beef mixture, and some beans, and just look at this. Everything combined just looks absolutely incredible. I think, anyway. All right, guys, down the old hatch. Look at that. This is ever good. I mean, who needs tacos? Everything just blends together. Absolutely incredible. And like I say, it's so fast and easy and so good. You simply got to make this. And if you do, as always, leave us a comment and subscribe because it's free. And most of all, give us a like because it does help us out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and definitely make this up. And of course, I'm going to have more. Yes. Wait there.